Hello guys, let's learn in this video what is the private access modifier. So there are four modifiers in Java: public, private, protected and default. So let's learn what is the private access modifier in Java. I have defined this class with the private access modifier and it is not allowed because I am getting some syntax error that remove invalid modifier. So what we learn, so if I ask you question, can we define a class with the private access modifier, the answer is no, we cannot define a class with private access modifier. So then what is the benefit of this private access modifier? So we can define the member and the methods with the private access modifier. Let me define a class. Can we define an inner class with private access modifier? Yes, that's true. So this is the access modifier private, okay, and let me define this class as employee, okay. Public class employee name file, okay, we are renaming it, okay, fine. Public, let's define calculate salary, okay, or employee, and we can name this as private class salary. Private class salary. So this is the inner class, and the inner class can be defined as the private. So what about the member variables? Yes, member variable we can define. So let's consider the name of the employee, and we are defining the name of the employee as a private. So why we are defining the name of the employee as a private? Because when we define the name of the employee as a private, so we are restricting other classes to private name, okay, string, okay. So when we are defining the name of the employee as a private, so we are restricting other classes outside of this class to modify it. So this is the way we are achieving the security. So right, so this is how we are achieving security. But in terms of Selenium, okay, what is the benefit, or can you give me an example where we are achieving the security, and where can we implement this private access modifier? So I don't have the example now, but this way we can, so in page object model, okay, when we are defining the web element, okay, so we are following the page object model, and for each page like we are defining one class. So let's consider we have a login page. So for login page we have a login class, and in the login class we are defining the relevant web element of the login class inside that login class, okay. So we are defining those web element with the private access modifier. Why we are defining it as with the private access modifier? Because those web element should not be modified outside of the class. So this is way we are achieving the security, and that is the benefit of the private access modifier. Thank you.